I opened my store last September, but before that, I had another store in Solana Beach, 3 miles away, for 21 years. My former shop was 700 square feet. This new space is 3,000.
Mom, I'm already taking a video.
After 21 years in a small space, I dreamt of a bigger store where I could create a creative art supply store combined with items that reflect a creative lifestyle. I looked at many places in the area I wanted my store to be, but even in the middle of a pandemic, the rent was very high, and every time I would find a place I was interested in, there would be a bidding war. 1055 Coast Highway is another possibility that I'm looking at. There's all the way upstairs office. There's a window. See in there. It looks interesting. I do not like the low ceilings though. My rent is several times higher than what I previously paid, and we had a very limited time to get to opening day. So I used what I already had: old doors, windows, porch railings, every kind of decrepit piece of scrap wood you can imagine, and we hammered and nailed the character into this place. Most of all, I want my store to be more than just a place to purchase items. I want it to be a place of inspiration and community, especially in a time when we are so isolated. So when I saw this room, I knew that it could be the place.
Living in a world where so much is going on, it's hard to even hear myself think and hear my heartbeat. And I don't think I can handle one more dose of bad news. It just seems like one thing after another, and I'm tired and weary. I call out to you.
DIY A Go-Go is a place for creativity and fun. We host workshops every week, and we host boot camps for other shop owners like me to find success. Whether you have a dream of transforming a piece of furniture, a piece of jewelry, or creating your own business, we want you to find inspiration here. For information about DIY A Go-Go, our workshops, our boot camps, or the fun stuff that we sell, go to DIYAGoGo.com. The link is below.
Now I know you're with me, and I know that I don't have to worry about what tomorrow holds. You got it on lock, and you're so good when I can't see. You're so good at taking care of me.
Yeah, I'm looping it.
Nobody can see you because you're hiding behind the chandelier.
I'm looping it. There's somebody loopy told me to do it.